Hello guys, welcome to Software Designs. Today I want to teach how you can download and trace videos in Coreldraw. Come to your Pinterest, then you can write the keyword of your choice. Let's say we are looking for a shoemaking brand logo. Shoemaking. You click enter. Then let's add the keyword logo. Then from here, let's say we download this. We want this logo. We want to trace this particular logo. You come here, click on download. It has downloaded. Open and then copy this logo to your design environment. From here, you paste the logo and you want to trace this particular logo to get these details. Then click on it. Click on trace bitmap. Then locate outline trace, then come to logo, then wait a bit for the preview. Here let's see what they have for us. Look at the preview section here. Then you can readjust it. Let's say detail, you want to readjust it to have the details correctly. Smoothen it, then increase the corners to be a bit sharp, then click on OK. Wait a bit and then move. You have successfully traced this logo, and you can change the color of this logo respectively. Let's change it back to black and then adjust it. Ungroup it from here. It's automatically ungroup. Remove the excesses. You can retype this entirely. Remove it. You can retype it. Let's say we'll write shoe, or let's pick any brand of our choice, or we'll use this particular brand. Then let's use this for our design. For this, we are working on design. Let's say promo foot. This is the brand name for promo suit. We'll use this particular logo. Then for this, we'll readjust it, and then the motto for the design, for the brand, is handmade footwears. We'll readjust it. Let's centralize it, and then behold, we have a logo. We can just readjust or make some settings to fit our best part. Thank you so much, and subscribe for more.